Okay, now we want to show our company. At the moment, I am in our real application. So I want to show you that the layout that we can build. So to display the company list, all the companies that will be displayed and the color scheme, because we are going to play with DOM and CSS in our layout. So through programming language logic. So in a company, now we have three companies. So see, at the moment, so only Rana is selected. So its background color is now uh, blue color. And if I change it to any company, the border color will become its background color. And you see, if I change to a Fantech, and it will display new company of Fantech is selected. And if I go back to the change company, so see its background color become the red. So also by dynamically the upon here the title of the company is also changed. And so if I change to Rana, so see we have a flash message, new company Rana selected. And if I go to a company, its background color is Rana. So now we want to achieve this, and we want to list the company, all the list of companies, and to and play with the CSS. Okay, let me switch to my Smart Expense project, and here I want to log out. So PHP Artisan, so make sure that your server is now running. So let's refresh it and come to our editor. So in now we are in our editor, and here let's close this company controller and the create page and our root folder, sorry, file. And okay, so we will create a file in our provider, and in that we will create a function colors, and we will set the array list of color that we will use to match this color with our CSS color. So right now you will be confused at this point by what I am saying, but you follow along with me, and you will understand how easy it is. Okay, so because this file that we are going to create, in this file will be create a color function and number format, and also format date. So default format of date and the currency format, and the color that will be used throughout our application. So we will create a file in our provider, and we will use it. So how we can create just single right click of the provider directory. So it is under app, and see under app we have a provider, a list of providers that by default the Laravel is providing, and we will create our own file, and we will keep its name common common.php, uh, common.php, and we will use the namespace, because before creating a namespace, php, and namespace will be app. Under app we have a provider, so providers, and we will use illuminate. Let me copy this one from here, and paste it. So we'll use illuminate sport facades, and we'll create a class which is common, and it would extend the service provider, service provider, and here. So we can also copy the text from this. So if I copy all the tags from our app service provider, so same we will be use in our common. So it's easy to create the already created. So uh, okay, so name is space is app providers, and use illuminate sport service provider. So use illuminate sport schema. Maybe we will not require schema. Okay, remove it. So class will be common, and we will extend the service providers. Okay, so public function boot, and it will be empty. So and the register function we will empty. So we will create our own function. So save it, and okay, public. So it will be a public function, and the public function, so make it a static, because why we use static I will shortly define. The public static function color, and okay, and class. So static, we have defined our function static because without instantiating or without creating an instance of that function, so we can use everywhere throughout our application. So we have to not define the function, or we have not to instantiate that function. So without instantiating we can access this function in our application. That's why we use public static function. So can without instantiating, so we are creating instance, so we can access that function. So now in that function we will return array and the bunch of colors that we are going to set. Let me give an array. So we are giving a blue, yellow, and comma separated string. Okay, red, magenta, green, violet, gray, brown, purple, orange, and here's the number, so on. So you can create how many colors that you want to use in your application. So you can give an public static function colors and array. Okay, when we use the date function, so we will create that date function here. Okay, that function will be required in our common file. So let's close it, and let's open our style.css, and we will require a css in our application. So for the color, the background color and the border color, so we will create a css for that, and it's very simple and easy. So I will copy the code for CSS and will explain you shortly. So make a comment, and it's CSS for border and background. Okay, so here is the CSS for that. Okay, let me explain it. So we will have a class in our anchor tag. So in our, let me save it, and in index. So here we will, in the anchor tag, we will create a class, or we may create a div for class bg color, sorry, bg blue or bg red. And so this class will be in our CSS. Its background color will be this one, and color fa, the text color will be fa, and font size 150, and font style italic. So font weight will be a bolder. And in the same way, for all the color that we have set in our array, which is in a common, let me open this common common.php. So we have a blue, yellow, red, and so blue, red, yellow, same parameters CSS for all the BG magenta and BG green. So this is mean background violet, background gray, or it will be border BG orange. So the background black and background orange. For border, so that will be a border of the anchor tag. So border yellow color will be border left 5 pixel, and only the left border of the anchor tag, and it will be 5 pixels solid, and this color, so it is a yellow shading color like that. You can use this. So border red will be that color, and it will be border left and border right. So border right will be also 5 pixel and solid, and border below will be border left. So the same is all the color that we have in our common and array that we have returning in our public static function colors, and we are returning an array. So this is the simple CSS for it. When we apply it in our application, we will access it. So save it, and okay, so close this, and next we will start our accessing, pull the list of companies in our from database. Stay tuned.